A 3-year-old girl who is blind stands wide base of support, hands held in high guard, her long cane lying on the floor below. As she walks, adults use clapping and other prompts to motivate her to move. She locates a table and a couch to use for support as she slowly proceeds towards the prompts.
Don't stop.
How do you measure independence?
Good job. Come on. Come on.
Is it number of prompts? She's being given constant prompts to get her to move.
Good job.
Is it the number of independent steps? In the entire length of this 55-second video, she takes 13 independent steps.
Yeah, I know you hear it. Come on. Come on.
She can walk. She prefers to have tactile
You better not get
support,
lazy to it.
which is why she holds on to the table and the couch and takes very few steps. Video of Annalise after wearing her belt cane for 4 months. She's independently walking through her home. The sound is on. There's just very little prompting. 4 months ago, she was introduced to the pediatric belt cane. No matter how you measure independence, pediatric belt canes always improve the outcome.
At this rate, the high chair.
She just crossed from carpet to flooring.
Good job. There's the kitchen. You're back in the kitchen.
How do you measure independence? Well, in these 23 seconds, she took 39 steps so far.
Yep. Ari can keep walking.
Is it by the number of prompts? As we hear, they're very infrequent, natural prompts. Is it the freedom to let go? The side-by-side comparison of her before, holding on to the wall, shuffling to the side to locate something with her feet. The left, she is holding on to her belt cane. Someone is helping her to figure out that it has found a high chair, and she's learning how to navigate through the clutter of her kitchen. Forwards, in the middle and center of the room. That is age appropriate for a 3-year-old child, and that is the power of the Pediatric Belt Cane Safe Mobility.
Did it on her own. That was the difference.
Blind Baby Safe Mobility Curriculum. Now that she is safely walking independently, they begin earnestly to teach her everything she needs to know about where she lives.
There, you found it. You found it.
And the cane hit it first.
Triangles. Did you find the triangles and the squares?
And of course, for activities of daily living, many example lessons can be found in our Blind Baby Safe Mobility Curriculum,
1. You found the bathroom.
which is available for every belt cane user. To get a pediatric belt cane for your child, go to safetitles.org/obtain cane. Safe Titles is a nonprofit bringing safety to blind mobility.